IMRX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all. Yeah, it's taken me 5 years, and the only guy that's done this, actually documenting everything, the whole journey. And my most recent prediction was to the point, like exactly called out. Now, here's what I'm talking about. This is like 2 weeks back, right? 21st of June. This is exactly what I wanted to see happening, like a double break occurring and then me doubling down on that. And not only did we get that, look at the accuracy of this. It's crazy. And this winning sign turns out to be a +4R W win. So in this particular case, it's just a bullish market. So I'll just mark up the top. What is the likelihood that we keep like doubling down on this? Well, quite high. So if I see it pulling down and giving me the shift, that's when I'll step in and still just keep buying more. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting, my man. So if you want the exact ins and outs, all the good, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. Get to those 5-10K months. My exact formula, tell 100 people to try it. Sting's gonna have to give it away, but I guess you get more when you freaking give sauce away.